Hello everyone, I'm Adriana and today with Leonardo we'll continue with one of the most important classes of our series. As we said before, you don't have to put all your eggs in just one basket, that's it. Diversify risk to avoid concentrating all your savings in just one business. You should take into account external sources to the store, such as a YouTube channel, Amazon or AliExpress affiliates, long term stock investment, or real estate investments, such as the purchase of the apartment or garage. Real estate investment can generate passive income in a long term on a regular basis. Another form of investment is the purchase of stocks. This is the way to obtain a long term return. You can invest in company stocks through online platform or your own bank. The goal is to buy cheap and to sell expensive. Just have a look to this graph. It's clear that the S&P 500 index has experienced crisis over the last 30 years, but has always recovered. A profitable strategy can be to invest a small amount of money in some stocks and leave it there. However, keep in mind that the Tokyo stock market suffered such a sharp fall that lasts during a generation. So, before investing, it's important to be prepared and assume the risk and know where to invest. Another important point is to invest in your comfort at home, and this is one of the best things you can do to improve your quality of life. Once you get home from work, it's important to feel comfortable, to relax, or meditate on new ideas. And another thing that for me is very important and for others is a silly thing. Investing money in the mattress of your bedroom is a good choice. Instead of buying very expensive furniture, you should buy a good mattress so you can rest first. A good mattress help you recover your strength to give 100% the next day. Also, a good mattress helps you to maintain the good posture while sleeping and reduce your back pain. In addition, good quality matters have greater durability, so you don't have to replace them so often. So, investing money in a good matters can help you save money and health in a long run. If you work in mobile repair, you will work many hours sitting in a chair, and for this reason, at night you have to recover. These are small details and all add up. It's also necessary to mention that you should never mix your household expenses with the business expenses. The money should be separated and the fixed salary should be paid every month. It is only necessary to know how much money the business spends each month and in this way to establish the appropriate prices for the repairs. To grow your business, you have to take small steps and to try to add in all aspects. On this subject, we could talk for hours, but our YouTube channel is focused on mobile repair, so YouTube will not promote it. If at the end of these classes I prepare something that can change your life in a positive way, we'll tell you. After reading a lot of books in recent years, we see things differently. If we can help someone to generate an extra income with these YouTube tutorials, all the positive energy will come back to us. Try to see it in this way because the result will come soon. Leonardo had to be 40 years old to perfectly understand how this life works. Life is a perfect balance. When you neglect a little or do something wrong, everything collapses. It's important to maintain a balance and to be able to enjoy life in the best possible way. Create and trust yourself because the human body is the perfect machine that exists in our earth. A mobile phone store can give you a good salary here in Spain, but the reality is that you can't make yourself a millionaire. And to earn a good salary, often you have to put in a lot of hours without stopping. Guys, he is Leonardo. This was today's class. Hope you enjoy it and see you next time. Bye bye.